Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna make a quick DIY video by painting this cupboard into white and black because it looks quite old and dirty. So I just wanted to utilize this time to do some makeover. So I'll show you the final outcome once it's done. So you just need a white paint for this and a brush. And also make sure to put on some plastics and newspaper so that you don't ruin your carpet. Now let's get to the business. So don't forget to stir your paint before you start because all the residue are at the bottom level, so you need to make sure it gets mixed well. Let's start now. So finally I'm done with the painting and the final outcome is this. So my mom wanted to throw it away, but I thought of utilizing it by painting it and keeping all my necessary stuff because I strongly believe in reusing and recycling. And it turned out to be pretty good. And I've also strongly believed right now that if you have anything that can be recycled or reused, and if you invest your time in painting or any other like craft activities, then it really helps to keep yourself busy, and it's kind of like therapy as well. It really worked for me and I hope it would do it the same for you. Now let's have a closer look. So here I present you the final outcome. Ta-da! See how you can utilize your stuff. If you like my video, don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you again in my next video. Feel free to comment if there is any suggestion. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.